Like if you want to set up a new site to deliver application and desktop to your end users, you can go with the first option. If you want to enable the remote PC access, so what is remote PC access? Like if you have any physical machine located in your premises, you can deliver that machine as well to end user with the help of Citrix.
When you
And
say that's like a multi-point server kind of thing, the remote
yes,
PC access. Okay.
yes, remote PC access. But in that case, remote PC access, your client will be connecting to your machines with Citrix workspace application only, not over the RDP remote desktop connection. Okay.
Got it.
And third option, basically, it is for the scale up your deployment. Means if you are having existing delivery controller in your site, so you can add one more delivery controller in your site to for the load balancing of the connections. Okay.
Mhm.
So in production, you will always find more than two delivery controller for sure, or minimum two delivery controllers should be there. Okay.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay. But now, before creating the site, we must be needed one hypervisor, right? So
Mhm.
your lab part I will complete it today, bro. Okay. I was unable
Okay.
to do so just because of my health issues. Okay.
Cool.
And yeah. Although I will complete your lab access, that is not an issue, but that is a bare metal hypervisor you will get. And but you must know how to install the Citrix hypervisor, right? Over a bare metal.
Mhm.
So now, just show me the Citrix files where you have uh, pasted them. No, no.
Uh,
In this PC, no, it should be you have downloaded three Citrix ISO files, right?
no, actually, that was under a different account, like different the administrator account. I can transfer that right over.
No, no, on your local PC. Okay, this one I need. The last one.
The last one.
Yeah, copy it. No, no, bro, you do not have to copy it here.
Okay.
I want to create new virtual machine as a hypervisor.
Okay.
Okay, so you can delete it from there.
Okay. Yeah.
Now go to the file, new virtual machine.
Oh,
Now
okay. That's
I will install later. That is fine.
mhm.
Now from here, select the Linux and scroll down. No, no, scroll down. Scroll down in the last. Go to the last.
This one. This
Not
is the
this.
last one.
No, no, not this one. This one. Other Linux 5x kernel 64.
This one. Yeah.
Yeah. Basically, every hypervisor it is in Linux flavor only. Okay.
The next page. Okay.
Okay. Click on next. Now name it like Citrix hypervisors. Perfect. If you want to change the directory, you can do that.
Mhm.
Ryan, how about your configuration? Have you configured your domain controller like and other virtual machine or not?
No, I just got it working properly and I was able to I'm building up my virtual machines right now. I'm gonna configure them in a few when I get off with you.
So it will be done by tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. Why? Because we can use your hardware as well to demonstrate the things, right? Why? Because you are using that VMware ESXi host. Okay. And right now I am doing here for Citrix hypervisor, which is known as Gen server.
Right.
Uh, do you have 200 GB of space available in any of your directory?
I think the D drive is having Yeah, 463.
Okay, select the D drive and look for your C drive, man. It's almost red.
Yeah, so yeah, I need to expand that in a couple of days.
Make it 200. Click on next. Customize hardware. Increase the memory to 8 GB and go to the CD DVD. Yes. Mount the ISO media. No, that Citrix ISO media, the hypervisor ISO media, no?
I think it's in
Yes, this one. Now go to the network, make it host only, close this, finish it. Okay. Click on edit virtual machine settings. Click on the processor. Now check that first box, virtualize Intel BP TX. Yeah, first option. Perfect. Click OK. Now power on the virtual machine. Hit enter. You will not be able to use mouse, okay, at that scale. You have to use your keyboard only.
Got
And that is the last session that I'm doing on your hardware, okay? After that, you will get your lab. Yes, I'm looking for my stomach to be clear. That's it. Did I started the recording?
So these days, I think so.
Yes. Okay, select US, hit the tab key and okay. Okay. Checking for the product, accept the license. Check that second box, enable thin provisioning. Press tab key, then space key.
Got it.
Okay, guys, what is thin provisioning? How many type of provisioning are there?
Two types, thick and thin.
What is the difference? What is the difference?
Thick provisioning considers the whole storage in one go. For example, like while we created that virtual machine for our lab, we select the thin provisioning. It will start increasing or start adding to it once we, when there's a need of increasing. Kind of. If that's the right answer.
Perfect. So basically, you can consider thin provisioning for virtual desktops, okay, and applications. And if you are having any physical laptop, it is same like I'm using or you are using, right? So that particular laptop is equipped with the physical storage, right? So that comes under the thick provisioning. And when you will sorry guys, I was dropped due to some network glitch. Can you hear me now? Hello. Guys, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, select OK. So our installation source is a local media. That is fine. Why? Because we have mounted the ISO media. But you can install the hypervisor on your
Got it.
physical bare metal
Okay.
server over the HTTP, FTP, or NFS. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Verify solution source.
So I do not want to, verify the installation source. Why? That is correct. Okay. If you want to
Mm-hmm.
verify, you can verify, but it will take some time. Okay, to verify the
Okay.
entire ISO media. So
Got
click
it.
OK. Now create some password for the root user. So IP will be delivered over DHCP. We already configured. Simply click on OK.
Mm-hmm.
Change that
Awesome.
name. Change
Yeah.
that name. Manually specify. Yeah. Delete that and make it something CTX hyphen HYP hyphen 01, something like that short. Okay. Go to the OK. Select your geographical area.
Doesn't matter though, but essential. Using NTP. Mahesh, you want me to do using NTP for the time
Yes.
protocol? Okay. Server. Mm. So Mahesh, in the production environment, you know, are you seeing a lot of clients using Citrix Hypervisor or the ESXi host, like from VMware?
Select no.
Sorry, Mahesh, you want me to select yes or no?
No.
Okay.
Uh, guys,
Hmm.
hello. Guys, I'm actually having some difficulty in speaking. Okay, so I will take single session only today. Okay.
Okay.
I have to go to the doctor then, otherwise.
Hmm.
Ryan, so you will be ready by tomorrow, right?
Yes, I'll be ready.
Okay. Just show your screen what you are doing.
You want to see it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Let me stop my sharing. Just
Yes, yes. That will take time. Okay.
yeah.
Gotta get this thing. Hold on. Let's get this.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm trying to move this. Can you see my screen?
Yep.
Yes, yes. So that is okay. You are doing the installation for DC01.
Right.
Just show me the console. Okay, you just started the installation, I hope so, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna do one of these. I was just doing this. I'm gonna make a template and
Mhm.
do all the updates, and then I'm just gonna deploy it from the template.
Okay, so what you have to do, you have to create three virtual machine. Two
Right.
you already created, then you have to create the storefront, okay?
Right.
And all with the Windows Server OS only, okay?
Right.
And which server OS is that? 2022 or 2019?
2022.
Okay. Yeah, do it. And have you configured that DSCP scope in your infra, or how like machines are getting the IP address?
Um,
Maybe from your router.
it's all no, I got it static. I did a static IP address.
Mhm.
They're all
Okay.
connected. I just got to configure this domain controller and
Okay,
join all.
please
Yeah,
do
I'm gonna
that.
get it done. I'm gonna get it done tonight.
Yeah, it is night for you. Yeah, please do complete it. Okay. And
Yeah.
from tomorrow onward, and just try to install that Citrix virtual apps and desktop ISO media. I think we already covered that, right? Just try to do that. If you are unable to do so, I'm there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll try to. I'll get it. I'll try to get it installed.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Davinder,
Yeah.
what is the process?
Okay. Let's take a look. Citrix Hypervisor is completed. I think gonna restart.
Your screen is not visible if you shared it.
Let me share. Give me a second.
Not visible.
Yeah, I'm just doing.
Okay, so Davinder, that hypervisor installation is done. Okay,
Yes.
and it will take some time to boot it up for first time. Okay, it will
Okay.
create some cache on drive or whatever. Oh, very quickly. Okay, that is good.
Mhm.
So this is how, like, whenever you will go in any production site or any client site, okay, you will find same kind of screen on the hypervisor servers, okay, on the monitor. And then
Mhm.
if that is your like VMware hypervisor, in that case you have to manage VMware hypervisor over the URL. You have to put some URL on the web browser, you can connect to it, and then you can manage it. It is same like what Ryan is doing right now, right, over the Chrome. He
Got
is
it.
managing the VMware. But in case of Citrix hypervisor, we have got one application from Citrix only, which is known as Citrix Gen Center. So you can install that application in any of your computer which is connected to your network, and you can connect your hypervisor to it. Console is quite
Okay.
similar. There is nothing difference, but only few options are here and there if we compare Citrix hypervisor to VMware.
Mhm.
So mm, we can test it out. We are having 8 minutes. Go to that directory. No, no. Wait. The folder where you have pasted your ASO files. Install that second one. So basically, this is the application from Citrix.
Mhm.
Simply install next. That's it. And
That's too much.
you can access your Citrix hypervisor with other product as well. That is Putty software or WinSP.
Mhm.
Now launch the application. What are you doing with Cisco Packet Tracker? Are you looking for some networking thing?
No, I was into networking before
Okay.
in India, and then when I came here, I moved towards
Mm.
servers plus networking both. So it was way
Okay.
back in time.
Quickly click on no. Click on add a server.
Is that okay? No,
So from that console, you can add n number of hypervisors to this application. Okay. So
okay.
now enter the IP address and enter the root user password of your hypervisor.
Oh, the hyper. Okay.
So this is just a console. Okay. You are you have to use that console to manage your hypervisor, right? But whatever the operation you will do from this console, every changes will be reflect over your hypervisor only, okay, not on this machine.
Mhm.
Click OK. Now that is your hypervisor.
Mhm.
Close this, maximize that window. So you can see uh, at the top panel you are getting multiple options to create new virtual machine, new storage, right? Add new server, restart the virtual machine, and reboot the things, right? So for an example, if you have to create a new virtual machine, simply click on new VM. And from here you can select the flavor, whatever the flavor do you want to install. Select any for now. We are not going to install anything. Click on next. You can give the name next. Then you have to mount the ISO media to boot the machine next. Then you can select the host, like on which hypervisor how many resources are available. So right now in your case we are having only single hypervisor, and on that hypervisor we are having only 6.2 GB of RAM. Okay, but that is for demonstration only. In production you will find memory in terabytes. Okay, now from here you can increase or decrease the CPU and memory count. Then from here storage, networking, and cancel it for now. Do not create.
Sounds good.
Okay, okay, and one more thing, like just click on the console tab.
Console tab is
Just
there.
below to the new VM. Just below to the new VM. Console. Yeah.
Console.
So that is your hypervisor only. Now enter the password for the root user and hit enter. Now type that command access console. No. X S for Singapore. Console. CONSOLE. Hit enter. So you will get the same screen, whatever you are getting over there. Okay.
Okay.
And if you want to monitor it, you can go to the performance tab, click on the performance tab. So it will show you like the hardware utilization of your hypervisor, how many VMs are running. Okay, whatever the resource utilization is there, it will show. You can take a report on weekly basis or monthly basis for your hardware utilization, right? Okay guys, so that's it. Only 2 minutes are remaining, so I'm quickly terminating the call, and we'll see you tomorrow then. Okay.
Sounds good.
Okay guys, thank you very much. Bye.